What's going on, guys? Today I got another beard kit for you guys. Let's just dive right into this. I bought another cheap beard kit, men's beard kit. You don't need to write men's beard kit on it. Okay, let's go into the kit. Let's dissect what we got here. I did use this kit, not everything in it because I have 8,000 of everything. There's only so many brushes and combs and shit you could use. But yeah, brush, comb, still in the packaging. Never use it. I hate these fine tooth combs. This wheel thing that's supposed to like scissors. I actually have used these. They're open. You can see that. Not the sharpest thing in the world, but it gets the job done. Again, we're talking about little tiny hairs here. They give you a little bag, which I haven't used. That's still brand new in the box. I don't even know what the hell else is in here. We got like a brochure. Cautions. It tells you everything that's in it. The beard. Oh, they call it a beard roller. Consists of a crafty handle and a head of 540 titanium needles. Oh, yeah. Let's just look at this thing. Okay. I'm not gonna use this, but I guess if you don't have any beard and you want to rub that on your face like it's gonna magically grow hair for you, yes. For a new beginner, to help promote your beard. It's right from the book. Okay, we got a beard wash, beard oil, 3 pieces, beard balm, comb, brush, scissors, whatever. Directions, because you know you need that when you're doing this. Let's go a little backwards with this stuff. We have the beard. Here we go. Beard balm, little container. What's this? A 1 ounce, 40 gram. 40 gram. It has like a saddlewood scent to it. You can see I used a little bit of it. I'm not really a big balm wax guy. Not really a big fan of it. You know, here is the Cleanse and Refresh soap. I prefer the beard product conditioners over the soaps. But this is the soap, the Cleanse and Refresh soap. Again, they're good. They all have like that saddlewood smell to them. But again, I prefer the, you know, the beard conditioners from these brands. The brush is falling apart. It's not the best in the world, but it'll get you by if you're new to the beard thing. The brushes really aren't good for when your beard gets long and it's off your face, but it's great for short beards. The comb is better. It's better for that. This just, my beard's like tangly. You know, I put the detangler in. I put all this crap in all the time. And I just don't like this. It's too fine for me. I feel like I'm ripping the hair off my face. I don't like using this. I just go with a regular brush. Works perfectly fine. Don't let the beard companies hear you say that, because you have to have a beard brush for your beard, and if you don't, you're Satan. And I'm opening up this box upside down, and it's going to make a mess. But here are the oils. So, very interesting. So, same logo thing on all their bottles. And so we have the sweet orange. Once again, not a huge orange person, but this one I did put on once. I'm not gonna lie, I only did it once. And I got floral orange all day long in my nose, which was, I guess, good if you like that. I don't like my beard oils to be that overpowering. this was a little overpowering for me, but I also do not like orange smell on me all day. I felt like I was just eating an orange all day and there was nothing there. It was a little disappointing. But yeah, so the unscented, I'm a little more prone to using on this kit. It's better, again, better than the orange, but they only gave you the choice of the 3 for the kit, and then the other one is the Saddlewood, which is this one. So I started to enjoy the I don't like Saddlewood, but I started to enjoy it more since I started growing my beard out, and then especially when trying these like kit things, I started to enjoy it more because I was like almost forced to use it in a way. So it's like that, you know, it forced me to enjoy that scent because every single beard kit and oil kit combos have a Saddlewood flavor or scent, I should say, in it. Unscented, to me, I feel like they're all the same. What makes you unique? I know there's people out there that can't have any scent at all on their person, on their body, on their skin. It bothers them, irritates them, whatever. So it's great that they have that for those people that need that. You know, at least have that option that potentially is available for everyone from your brand. So that's nice to see. But why orange? Like, again, I get the Saddlewood. Everyone does Saddlewood. Everyone does like an unscented or like a very generic, like, you know, pine or something like that. Like, it just sucks. Like, let me pick my 3 flavors from your brands. That goes for everybody, not this brand. I'm not picking on Full Light Tech. I'm just making a general blanket statement to all the beer brands out there. If you're going to make a kit like this, I understand you pre-package everything, throw it in a box and ship it out the door, but give me the option maybe to pick out my 3 cents. Most brands, when you're buying the 3-pack of flavors or scents, you could pick out your 3 flavors most of the time, most brands. But again, when you're buying a kit like this, you're appealing to like the new beard person or the, in my case, new to your line, your product line. And I want the best that you have. If this is the best scents that you offer or your best sellers or the best ones that you think of brand collectively you make, I don't want to be a customer anymore. Especially for this brand in particular. I don't like orange. So you lost me on 1/3 of the oils that is in this box available. I don't need or have a use for the unscented. I will use it because I already purchased it, but I'm going to be less likely to use those 2 because now I'm stuck to those. I'm going to stick with the Saddlewood, which is my least favorite of all the scents that are available to beards. And that's the best that I have to work with from you guys. So that's directed directly to Full Light. But overall, rant over, what do I think about the product? So again, I have no interest in using that. Maybe this kit wasn't for me. I kind of just bought it on a whim. You know, it was $20 on Amazon. I think I got it like a lightning deal, whatever nonsense, for $17 or whatever. I just wanted to try a new brand once again. I'm trying to chase down decent products to appeal to you guys that is cheaper, to get you like a full kit of everything you need for as cheap as heavenly possible and not make you go out and buy 300 kits before you find one that's decent enough. Is this kit decent enough? Yeah, it is. Again, you know, I personally don't like these scents, but everyone's going to have their scents that they like, and whatever, this may appeal to you. You may love Saddlewood. That might be your favorite all-time beard scent ever. Unscented is unscented. Orange, you may love orange, and you may be like, what are you talking about? I can't believe they gave me an orange in it. Not a lot of companies do orange, so, you know, maybe that is appealing to you, and maybe you're buying this kit just for that reason. I don't know. But if you needed everything, you needed the balm, you needed, you know, some type of shampoo, and a ton of oil, a brush, whatever, to get you started for $18, get this kit. Definitely, it's definitely worth it. Again, is any one piece top of the line the best you're going to get? Absolutely not. But again, this is appealing to the person that is just starting off and you need everything and you don't have a lot of money. Get this. 100%. This will get you started. This will get your feet wet and at least get you in the motion of taking care of your beard and utilizing the products, learning how to use them, when to do what, yada, yada, yada. So, definitely can recommend this to you guys. I do not know this brand at all. I'm just aimlessly buying shit on Amazon. I have no connection to them, never spoke to them. I don't know nothing about them. Just bought it and started using it, and I'm reviewing it. So, maybe I'm going to check them out a little bit more into just like typing in beard kit on Amazon and just clicking the first thing that comes, because I've done that 4 or 5 times already. And yeah, so it's worked out in this particular situation. Again, I don't need this stuff, so I haven't really used it. Use it just to kind of test it out for you really quick on the videos, but this will get you by. This will get the job done. If you need something, look into this brand. Again, not affiliated, not sponsored, whatever. I'm going to look back into them and see if they offer different scents, and maybe I'll enjoy those better than these 3, but that's all I could do for the more advanced beard person. But again, you may like these 3 scents, and that might be a winner for you. So 3 beard oils for $20 by itself is phenomenal, and it's worth it just for that. Even if you don't need all this other shit, buy this just for the oils. That's a cheap price. So that's all we got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, or you have something else you want me to try or test out, purchase and try so you don't have to, comment it down below. Let me know what you guys are using as well. And I'm always looking for new stuff. This is like the 10th review I've done on beard products. Let me know what's out there. That's all we got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the playlist sections. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Take care.